Hello everybody, let's do another unboxing video. We have just the one box today, but it looks nice and full, so let's see what's there. We have Before She Was Found, paperback, Barefoot in the Park, Blu-ray DVD, Sophie Jordan's latest, The Virgin and the Rogue. Got another Christmas book by Donna Van Leer, The Christmas Table, The Crown, for all of you waiting for the third season. It looks like we have a Dracula graphic novel for the adults out there. Taking Flight by Julie Murphy. She's a popular YA. Cardiff by the Sea, Joyce Carol Oates. Christina Loren in a Holidays, a Christmas rom-com for you guys. When No One Is Watching, Alyssa Cole. 8 Perfect Murders by Peter Swanson. Planet Hockey, I believe this is a graphic novel for middle graders. Final Cut. We've got The Last Wife. We've got a Dale Brown large print. David Weber, The Valkyrie Protocol. Looks like a good sci-fi. Elliot Ness and the Mad Butcher, hunting America's deadliest unidentified serial killer for all your true crime needs. Another large print by Daniel Silva. Charming as a Verb. It's supposed to be a very good YA. We got more Warriors. They're all coming in now. Bob Woodward's latest, Rage. And Peter Mansbridge, Extraordinary Canadians, Stories from the Heart of Our Nation. That sounds lovely. My Dark Vanessa on audiobook. We've got some DVDs and CDs. Disney's Mulan. Tom and Jerry and Nutcracker Tale for some Christmas fun. Christ Stopped at Ebola. I'm not sure. And we have 2 CDs. Who's this? And our last one is Carrie Underwood's Christmas album. So there you go. And remember, you can put these on hold. Just let us know and just give us a few weeks maybe for some of these to process and catalog them. Thanks. Bye.